Today's teaching tip focuses on how a teacher can guide students to write a haiku. A haiku is a very short poem that follows a specific structure. It has 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables. The third line has 5 syllables again. The pattern is 5-7-5. That's it. No rhyming is required. The power of a haiku comes from careful word choice and clear imagery. When introducing haiku, it is helpful to begin by explaining what a syllable is. A syllable is a beat in a word. For example, river has 2 syllables. Beautiful has 3. Clapping out syllables together as a class can help students hear the rhythm before they begin writing. Next, model how to build a haiku step by step. Choose a simple topic and brainstorm descriptive words. Encourage students to think about what they can see, hear, smell, feel, or even taste. Haiku often focus on nature, which makes them perfect for developing imagery. Here is an example of a haiku about a river. Silver river flows, whispering over smooth stones. Moonlight softly shines. Notice the 5-7-5 syllable pattern. Each word has been carefully chosen to create a clear picture. Here is a haiku about a rose. Crimson rose opens. Petals kissed by morning dew. Fragrance fills the air. Again, the structure remains 5-7-5. The imagery helps the reader imagine the color, texture, and scent. Here is a haiku about a sunset. Golden sun sinking. Painting clouds with shades of fire. Day sighs into night. This example shows how strong verbs and descriptive phrases can make a short poem feel powerful and complete. Teaching haiku is an excellent way to develop students' imagination and creativity. Because the structure is short and controlled, students must think carefully about every word. They learn to replace ordinary words with vivid, precise vocabulary. They begin to understand that fewer words can sometimes create a stronger effect. Haiku writing also strengthens understanding of syllables. Students practice counting beats in words, which supports reading fluency and phonological awareness. At the same time, the activity reinforces spelling and grammar. Even though the poem is short, correct capital letters, accurate spelling, and clear sentence structure still matter. Teachers can encourage drafting and editing. Students can count syllables, adjust wording, and refine their imagery. This process shows them that writing is about thoughtful choices and improvement, not just getting words on a page. By teaching haiku, a teacher provides students with a clear framework, a creative challenge, and an opportunity to play with language. Within 17 syllables, students can discover just how powerful their words can be.